If you're setting up a survival kit, you probably need something to cut wood with. Today we're going to take a look at this Gerber Freescape folding saw. Let's take a look at the specs. Overall length when it's closed is 14 inches. Weight is about 15 ounces. There are some features that are really nice. This handle is good sized. For me, with big hands, I can get a good handful like that. It's nice and rounded here. It's semi-squishy, so you're going to get a good grip on it. The blade is 12 inches long, meaning you'll get a 12-inch stroke when you run the saw blade back and forth. These blades can be bought at any hardware store, incidentally, so you don't have to worry about sharpening or breaking them. It's always handy to take along an extra blade if you're going on an extended trip. This is a very solid frame here, and it's not going to slip on you. Here's where the saw is stored most of the time. You can see it doesn't have any special place of honor or anything like that. It's a tool we use frequently. Here's how you get the saw to work. Very simple. Now we've got to take the blade out very carefully. Look right here. This is where we get another one of those pivot points. The blade comes around now. There's a hook here that we hook it. Hope you can see this. Then the handle snaps in, and you've got a solid saw. Let's see how it works. This is a piece of diseased pear tree that I cut down a couple days ago. It's still pretty green, but let's just see if we can get it to go with this saw. Now, the real challenge is having a tripod right here and me having to kind of wrap myself around it while I do this cut. Not to mention, we have other stuff wobbling around, but it still works fine. This saw cuts, and it's a good survival tool. There are a lot of excellent saws on the market. You just need to pick one that's going to work best for you. Do some research and you'll have a valuable addition to your survival gear. This is Leon Pantenberg with Survival Common Sense. Thank you for watching. Please check out my book, Bushcraft Basics, a Common Sense Wilderness Survival Handbook. You can get your signed copy of Bushcraft Basics here. It'll be delivered direct to your door.